What's up, Road Warriors? Here from Premier Truck Group of Oklahoma City, and I've got a rig that's ready to work just as hard as you do. Say hello to stock number S590415, an 2024 International Day Cab with only 126,000 miles on it. Fresh off the cleanup and service, this beast is polished, primed, and ready to hit the blacktop like it owns it. Here's a lowdown. Fleet spec'd for top-tier fuel efficiency, airside fifth wheel, so you're not wrestling with hookups. Disc brakes, because stopping is just as important as going. A 430 horsepower A26 engine that doesn't mess around. And yeah, it's got an automated Eaton Fuller transmission, so you can keep one hand on the wheel and the other on your coffee. Please be safe. And now for the good stuff. Engine major components warranty till April 2028 or 500,000 miles. Transmission coverage till April 2026 and or 300,000 miles. Carb engine and after treatment coverage till April 2028 and or 500,000 miles. We ship these bad boys anywhere in the US. No matter where you park it, we'll get it there. So, if you're tired of driving trucks that feel like they gave up back in 2020, let's fix that. Hit us up and we'll get you rolling in something that actually wants to haul. Peace, gears, and diesel. Thank you from Premier Truck Group of Oklahoma City.